Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll guide you through creating engineering drawings in CrownCAD so you can produce technical drafts efficiently. Method 1. In the document management interface, create a new engineering drawing. Enter the name of the new drawing and select an appropriate drawing template for a blank drawing. You need to select the part for which the drawing will be generated. Method 2. Generate a drawing from within the part using the new command. Method 3. In the document list, right-click on the part and select Generate Engineering Drawing. Select the standard 3 views command to automatically generate the front, top, and side views. In the View palette, drag the required view to the frame area. Move the mouse to generate the corresponding projected view in the direction of the mouse. Select the desired model view. Preview the view in the bottom left corner of the drawing. You can use the drawing scale or set a custom view scale. Switch display effects in the display style options. Click in a suitable position on the drawing to place the base view. Then move the mouse to generate projected views in the corresponding directions. You can generate projected views using the Projected View command. When generating projected views, you can set the scale of the projected view. After selecting a view, you can change the base view in the Model View Properties panel. Use the Section View command to generate section views. Use the Auxiliary View command, select a reference line, and generate a projected view of an inclined surface. Right-click on a view to unalign it, select a view, and drag it with the mouse to adjust its position. Select the Center Mark command to add auxiliary lines to circular edges and create circumferential center lines. Select the Centerline command to add a centerline between two edges. Select the Intelligent Dimension command to add dimensions between two lines. In the Intelligent Dimension Properties panel, you can set dimension precision, tolerance grade, font style, leader style, layer, and so on. Set dimension precision and tolerances in the Intelligent Dimension Properties panel. Set font and dimension leader styles in the Intelligent Dimension Properties panel. Use the Intelligent Dimension command to label angles. Select the Datum command, choose a view edge, and add a datum symbol. Use the Geometric Tolerance command. Select Perpendicular as the tolerance type, and set the tolerance and datum. Use the Surface Roughness command to set the roughness type and value. Select a view edge, add roughness, and drag with the mouse to adjust its position. Select the Note command, choose No Leader as the leader type, and click in a suitable position on the drawing to add technical requirements. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD engineering drawings. Now, visit www.crownCAD.com to start your design journey.